Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about TABOOLACOM LTD quarterly report. TABOOLACOM Ltd. provides various businesses and services through its artificial intelligence-based algorithmic engine platform. Some of these include operating an AI-powered recommendation engine for editorial content, partnering with websites to recommend advertisements on the open web, providing a platform for mobile apps to suggest relevant content, offering a service that recommends content and ads across various devices and locations worldwide. TABOOLACOM Ltd. (TBLA) stock price has seen a slight increase over the past year due to several positive events. Notably, on October 28, 2025, the company's shares jumped 11.41% after reporting strong third-quarter financial results that exceeded expectations. The revenue for the quarter reached $496.8 million, growing 14.7% year-over-year and beating analysts' forecasts. Additionally, in August 2025, TABOOLA's Q2 presentation revealed strong results, causing a surge of over 10% in per-market trading. These events demonstrate that TABOOLA's financial performance and positive outlook have contributed to the slight increase in its stock price. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline are multifaceted and influenced by various factors. Key contributors include the increase in average revenue per scaled advertiser, which rose by 10.9%, and the expansion of scaled advertisers, with a notable 4.4% increase. The testing of ad formats with Yahoo also played a significant role. Additionally, the recognition of revenue as an offset to traffic acquisition cost in 2024 had a substantial impact. New digital property partners contributed significantly, generating approximately $91.2 million in new revenues on a 12-month run rate basis. Existing partnerships also saw growth, increasing by around $23.4 million. Furthermore, growth in advertising spend and a margin increase, ex-DAC gross profit, further fueled revenue expansion. These factors collectively drove the company's revenue growth, highlighting the importance of diversification, innovation, and strategic partnerships in achieving financial success. Net income and profit margins underwent significant changes in the 3 months ended September 30, 2025. Net income increased from a loss of $6,454 to a gain of $5,244, a change of $11,598. This improvement was accompanied by a decrease in net loss for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025, which decreased by 78.8% from -$36.9 million to -$7.9 million. Profit margins also showed variations. The gross profit margin declined from 30.7% to 28.1%, while the operating income margin increased from 1% to 1.3%. These changes can be attributed to revenue growth, which rose by 14.7%, $63.8 million, compared to the same period last year, and cost management efforts that likely contributed to improved profitability. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate operating cash flow. For the 9 months ended September 30, 2025, the company reported an operating income of $287 and a net loss of -$7,851. However, it generated a substantial amount of cash from operations, totaling $148.7 million. This is a notable increase from the previous year's operating activities, which provided $122,396 in cash. The data suggests that the company has made significant strides in generating positive operating cash flow, with an increase of $26.3 million in 2025 compared to 2024. The company's financial summary reveals mixed signals regarding its debt level and interest expenses. On one hand, interest expenses increased by $2.8 million from 2024 to 2025, indicating a potential rise in borrowing costs. However, this increase is partially offset by a loss on extinguishment of debt worth $6.6 million in 2025, suggesting that the company may be actively managing its debt obligations. Overall, while there are some fluctuations, it appears that the company's debt level and interest expenses have not changed significantly. Management's outlook, focused on strategic growth and efficiency. According to management, the company will continue to invest in research and development, technology platform, and strategic acquisitions to drive growth. Additionally, they are prioritizing share repurchases, debt reduction, and increased operating cash flow to enhance shareholder value. Furthermore, a hedging program has been established to manage foreign currency risks and preserve capital. Overall, management's strategy is centered on balancing growth with operational efficiency and prudence in managing the company's resources. That concludes the financial summary for TABOOLACOM LTD. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.